Mars is no place for cowards. It is dry, rocky, and brutally cold. The fourth planet from the Sun, Mars is one of Earth's two closest planetary neighbors, the other being Venus. Mars is one of the easier planets to spot in the night sky. It looks like a bright red point of light. Even today, it is often referred to as the red planet because of the reddening of the climate as a result of the oxidation, i.e., rusting, of the iron minerals on Mars. Mars was named by the ancient Romans for the gods of war because its reddish color resembles blood. At a radius of 2,106 miles, 3,390 kilometers, Mars is about half the size of Earth. If Earth were a nickel, Mars would be as big as a raspberry. At a distance of 142 million miles, 228 million kilometers in distance, Mars is 1.5 astronomical units from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit, abbreviated as AU, is the distance from the Sun to the Earth. At this distance, the duration of sunlight from the Sun to Mars takes 13 minutes. When the solar system settled into its current configuration about 4.5 billion years ago, Mars formed as gravity took in rotating gas and dust from the Sun to make it the fourth planet. Mars is about the width of Earth and, like other terrestrial planets, has a central core, a rocky mantle, and a solid crust. At the center of Mars is a dense core 930 to 1,300 miles, 1,500 to 2,100 kilometers in radius. It is composed of iron, nickel, and sulfur. Mars has an atmosphere composed of abundant carbohydrates, nitrogen, and argon gases. To our eyes, the sky would be hazy and red because of the scattered dust instead of the familiar blue hue we see on Earth. Mars's diffuse atmosphere does not provide much protection against explosions such as meteors, asteroids, and comets. The temperature on Mars can be as high as 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, or as low as negative 225 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 153 degrees Celsius. And because the atmosphere is so thin, heat from the Sun easily escapes this planet. If you stood Mars processes at the equator at the time of flight, you would see spring at your feet, 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius, and winter at your head, 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. Do you think Mars is a good place to live?